Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I'm going to share with you how I prepare this delicious vegetable sauce, so stay tuned to the end of this video. So friends, to prepare this beautiful recipe, all you need is mackerel fish. So I just removed this mackerel fish from freezer. So I'm gonna rinse it out with a warm water, and after then I will just put it in the oven to grill. That's all I need to do. So guys, as you can see, I'm just putting it inside the oven to grill, and at the same time I'm going to use dry fish. Yes, this is the dry fish I'm going to use. So what I'm going to do next is to soak it with a hot water. Yes, actually the water is so hot, it's very hot, so I'm going to soak it inside. Guys, the reason why I'm soaking this dry fish with hot water, or hot water is the best, is to make if there is any sound so that it will go out. So guys, this is the vegetable I'm going to use. Is a German leaf, it's called Grünkohl. Yes, so you can get it in Aldi or Lidl. So guys, at the same time, these are the peppers I'm going to use: fresh tomatoes and onions. You can see the pepper I used is red and yellow. You can get it in Aldi or Lidl, any shop they sell veggies. So what I'm going to do is to wash all and blend everything together in my blender. So right now friends, as you can see, I'm done blending the veggies. So the next step is to add my pot, the pot I'm going to use to cook the veggies, on the fire. Then add any cooking vegetable oil of your choice. As you can see guys, I'll only add a little vegetable oil. Yes, you can add according to your taste. You can add the quantity you want, but I will advise not too much oil. Okay guys, so then after then I'll just slice some onions and fry it a little bit, as you can see. So after frying the onions, I will just add the mixed tomato and the pepper that I just blended. I will just add it inside and let it to cook so that the water will dry up. So guys, I also added some dry pepper. This pepper is Cameroon pepper I got from Africa. Yes, I just add a little bit and that is it. So at the same time guys, I just finished washing my dry fish. You can see how clean and neat it's looking. Yes, so what I'm going to do next is to add it inside. And this moment, as you can see guys, the water is almost dried up. But before I add my dry fish, I'm going to add a little bit of crayfish on it. Yes, so now I will proceed by giving it a good stir. Yes guys, as you can see, at this moment the water is almost dried off. So that is it guys. The next step is to add up my dry fish. I don't know if you guys are seeing inside very well. So sorry, the smoke coming out from the pot is covering my camera, but that is by the way. I'm so sorry about that guys. So The next step is to proceed by giving it a good stir and add up my Maggi seasoning. Yeah, you can add any Maggi seasoning of your choice. Yes guys, this recipe I didn't add any salt at all, so it's optional. You can also add salt because I don't eat much salt, as in I don't used to eat salt. I hardly eat salt, so that is it guys. So the final step is to add, not the final step, sorry guys, the next step is to add my vegetable inside. As you can see, the vegetable is from the freezer, so it's blocked. Yeah, I have it in the freezer, so I'll just add it inside and give it a good stir. Yeah, and my mackerel fish is ready, so I just remove it from the oven. Now I'm gonna wash it and remove some bones, all the bones inside. So keep watching. Then the next step is to add my fish, the mackerel fish. I just finished washing it, then I'll just add it inside. Yeah, and that is it. So guys, right now I'm gonna give it a good stir and leave it to steam because the fish is already cooked. Yeah, so beautiful people, after giving it a good stir, I will just add my hunger seasoning. It's optional, you can skip it if you don't want. I just added a little bit. This is hunger seasoning. They have hunger stew, but I use the soup type, is different types. So guys, if you also watch in this recipe, I added the fish late because I don't want it to get scattered inside. So that is the reason why I add it at the last part. Yeah, the mackerel fish. So beautiful people, as you can see, the vegetable sauce is ready. Like, you can serve this vegetable sauce with white rice, white yam, boiled yam, fried plantain, boiled plantain, fried potato, boiled potato. You can name it. You can enjoy it with anything of your choice. So guys, as you can see, I'm gonna enjoy it with white rice and its sugary liquor. At this moment, if you have not yet subscribed, please kindly join the family by smashing that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis, and my channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos. If I see anything that caught my attention, I can as well film it. So feel free to join my amazing family, and don't forget to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. So guys, as of now, I am out. See you in my next upcoming video. Bye bye.
Yo.